In this video, I'm going to show you how to add page numbers in the Gamma app in a simple, manual way. If you're building a presentation, a deck, or any multi-page Gamma project, adding page numbers can make it easier to organize your content and help your viewers follow along more smoothly. This is a quick and easy workflow, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add page numbers to each card in your Gamma project. If this helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open the Gamma project where you want to add page numbers. Make sure you're inside the correct presentation or document before you begin so you don't accidentally edit the wrong project. Once your project is open, navigate to the first card where you want the numbering to start. This is usually the first slide or section where you want the page count to appear. Now click near the bottom of the card. You want to place your cursor in a spot that won't interfere with your main text or visuals, ideally close to the footer area. After that, simply type the page number. You can enter just the number, like 1, or you can type something a little more descriptive, like page 1, if that matches the style of your project better. If the number looks too large or too distracting, you can make it smaller, so it blends in more naturally with the rest of the design. The goal is to keep it clean, subtle, and easy to read. Once you've added the number to the first card, repeat the same process on the next cards in your Gamma project. Go to each page, click near the bottom, and add the next number in sequence. So after page 1, you would add page 2, then page 3, and continue through the rest of your cards. Since Gamma doesn't always handle traditional automatic page numbering the way some other design tools do, this manual method is the simplest way to get consistent page numbers across your project. It may take a few extra seconds, but it gives you full control over placement and style. A helpful tip is to keep the number in the same position on every card, so your project looks more polished and professional. If you place it in the lower left corner on one card, try to keep it there on all the others. That consistency makes the whole presentation feel much more organized. Another tip is to use the same font style and size throughout the project, so the page numbers look uniform from start to finish. If your Gamma layout changes from card to card, just make sure the numbering still stays easy to find without distracting from the content. And that's really all there is to it. You've now learned how to add page numbers in Gamma app using a simple manual method that works well for presentations and multi-card projects. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.